Hello guys, in this video I want to share you something regarding to how to log into Monetize on iPhone. So far I can search in the internet or YouTube. I can see only someone who share how to check Monetize on Android, but today I wish to share you to check in iPhone. Yeah, so follow me. First, if you don't have Chrome, you can download it. Yeah, you know already. Go to App Store to download it. You can type Chrome. Google Chrome, but yes. So you can download it. Yeah, as I download it already, it just show up like this, so I just open it. Let's say you already download it and then you open it. So here you can see YouTube, Facebook, and some others related, but you don't have to worry about that. If you can see the YouTube already, you can just log in, but if you don't see, you just type YouTube. Yeah, as I already signed into my account, I don't have to sign in again. But if you don't sign in yet, you just sign in your account. Okay, you sign into Google account and then sign into YouTube account. So let's say you sign already, you know, I don't have to show you. Otherwise, I don't have to write the password and my email. So yeah, okay. I just get this channel for example, and the channel is not up to get monetized yet. It's still make some more video and get some more subscribers and time. Yeah, so when you're up to here, you just go to the bottom of the right button. Yeah, sorry, these three dots. So you click on three dots and you just scroll down a little bit and you find the sentence called request desktop site. Just click on that. Yeah, so when you're up to here, it's a little bit, then you just go to your channel. When you go to your channel, in general, for Android they will click on YouTube Studio, but for iPhone you don't do that. You don't do the same. You just go to your channel again. So this is desktop site. So when you come to here, when you reach up to here, it's like you open in a computer, right? And to see the monetize option, you go to here called customize channel. So go to customize channel. If we go to dashboard and studio, so just hold on. Okay, it come up like here. So now you can see here, you can see the US dollar label here. So yeah, it's a little bit different from Android, iPhone. So just do like me. I try to share it. Otherwise, I try to follow up with the Android people who just post the video with our iPhone. So iPhone is a little bit different. So you just click on that and then you will see how many hours you can get and then how many subscribers you will see. Okay, I click on that. So here you can see monetize option, and a little bit sorry on this option. It just show up me the my own language. It doesn't show English, but this one you can see in English writing number. I got like this channel. I got like 393 subscribers, and I got like 2,800 86 hours already. So yeah, that's all I can share, and hope you guys can do it. If you like the video, you can help. You can subscribe and share and comment if you need something else. Just leave a comment and then I will answer you. Thank you very much.